What's going on, everybody? It's John, the Eagle Sergeant here at Wilkins Harley-Davidson, bringing you our 2014 Ultra Limited. Now this one is an amber whiskey and brilliant silver. It was actually purchased by a friend of mine, brand new, who just traded in for a brand new 2018 as well. So this bike is Dyno Certified, and what that means to you is we go through and try and save you a lot of the typical out-of-pocket expenses that are associated with getting a pre-owned bike. So things like a full service, not just an oil change, a full service are completed. This bike has around 25,000 miles on it, so we did a 25,000 mile service. That includes all new fluids. We use Syn 3 Harley-Davidson synthetic fluids in the motor, transmission, and primary, but we also did a front fork service, which is due around 25,000 miles on a bike like this. So we replaced the front fork fluid, so that is operating as it should. In addition, we do a Midtronics battery test on the bike, as well as make sure that that's up to the standard it deserves. We put it on a dyno for our dyno analysis, so electronically and mechanically we can make sure the bike is up to the standard that you deserve when getting a pre-owned motorcycle. And we also go through and make sure that tires and brakes have at least 50% life remaining, and if they don't, we replace them with OEM components. So in a nutshell, this was a beautiful bike when it came in. We still invested about $800 into it to get to the level that customers have come to expect from us, and so we can back it with our 90-day 3,000 mile guarantee from us here at Wilkins Harley. And a little rundown on an Ultra Limited. It is a premium touring bike. They come standard with great features like ABS Reflex Link braking system, which was new in 2014 on this bike. Smart security system, which is a great program as well. Happy to do another video on that, or give us a shout, we can explain it. But also things like premium face gauges, luggage rack on the back on your tour pack, and making sure that the bike is ready to rock and roll with things like cruise control and a 6.5 GT premium infotainment system. 2014 offered hundreds of improvements over the previous generation via Project Rushmore, which is enough details to do a video on in itself. But for more questions and information on that, what it means to have a split stream air vent, what it means to have a larger 49mm front fork, what it means to have some of the new improvements from Project Rushmore, give us a shout at 802-476-6104. We're an over 70-year-old family-run business. Takes a lot of pride in what we do and helping riders get the right bike. So hopefully we'll hear from you soon. Enjoy the video, check out the bike, and if you have questions, we look forward to talking with you. Again, it's John at Wilkins Harley, 802-476-6104, wilkinsharley.com. Thanks.